Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a special video for Larcs Workshop. Lux Workshop is a year old. Yes, I know, a year old. Who would believe it? And we're sat in Bugley where it all started a year ago, trying to get it ready for Busfest. So we went for the MOTs and blah blah blah. But hey, anyway, this is a special one. We're going to show you our fleet. And I'll drag you out to see that in a minute. But also I'd like to thank all the subscribers for subscribing. Yeah? Yes, for subscribing. Anyway, there's now 500 of you. So thank you very much. Anyway, let's go and have a look at the fleet. I must warn you though, there is one missing because we couldn't move it. I'll show you that in a minute. But let's have a look at these first. Right, we're getting out. We'll start off on the left with Chloe's little Corsa, 2009. We've done a few jobs on it. It's a lovely little car, low mileage, but cosmetically challenged. And someone else very kindly rubbed all the way across the front bumper for her, so we got something else to change. Never mind, still a cracking little motor. Next up, this is a boss's car. Can you tell? It's probably worth more than all the rest of them added together. But it's a cracking little car, a little CRV. I get to drive it occasionally, not very often. We have done a little fix on this, believe it or not. There was a mouse in the what do they call it, the filter for cabin filter, so I had to take all that out, but easy peasy. Bugley, where it all started. What a beast. We've done a lot of jobs on him. He's cool, we like him. Next up, we've got Chloe's old car, little 2004 Suzuki Alto. This is the one where we thought we just had a little head gasket to do, and oh no it wasn't. It was a cracked head. Anyway, it's all done, running beautifully. That one's going. Next up, Tommy's car, fresh back from North Wales. It's done really well. Cheap little motor, little Dave Mattias 2004. God, it needs a wash. But yes, we've done the backlights on this one. His headlights need cleaning actually, don't they? Yes. Next up, my daily 2002 Golf TDI Estate. It's the 130. I've done 60,000 in this since I've had it. It's now 165. It is a cracking car. Jobs we've got to do on this one. Suspension bushes. She's a bit wobbly and wallowy in the corner, so we'll be doing that really rather soon. That's the car that we found all the walnuts and stuff in the engine bay, and someone was eating me car because they ate through the coolant, what's it called, the coolant reservoir. So yes, but we've got more to come on this. Next up, Fugly. What a beast. Now, this is a 1987 LT 2.4 normally aspirated diesel that doesn't run. It will eventually, but believe it or not, this was actually on the road 3 years ago. Do you reckon? Yeah, well, apparently so. But yeah, what a beastie. We'll be doing work on this one soon. And actually inside, it's quite a nice place to be. Let's have a look inside. Oh! There we go, look. Apart from, that's the spare head. I don't know if we got a spare head to play with. That's gonna go in, because the one in there, the cam bearings are gone. But yeah, full of cobwebs and some seats. But yeah, really quite a nice little vehicle. One day it's going to be lush. So next up, this is the one you've seen a quick sneaky peek of in the garage a little while ago. This is my 1972, I think, 71, something like that. Fastback. Now there is quite a story over this. I've actually bought this car 3 times. So obviously I've sold it twice because it's now mine. I had this car when I was 17. So that's a long time ago. And then I sold it, I found it, sold it to Derek, and then bought it back again. This is going to be fun. Can't wait to play with this beastie. Next up we got little Beetle, 72, 73, something like that. This is a project I started a while back. Then we moved house and I haven't done anything to it at all. And it needs a lot of welding. Floor pans, done the heated channels, started doing the quarter panel. But yeah, we'll get in there. We will get there. We will do it. Cracking little car. It's called Terry. Terry's all gold. So after Terry, we've got our bikes. Start off with this little beastie, 74 CZ 175 Trail. This is my late uncle's. Not been used for, I don't know, since the 80s. And yeah, we're gonna do something with that, I think. Should be a bit of fun. And then hiding behind that in the shade is my lovely little 2003 Beetle XB9S Lightning. Lovely jubbly. So here's the little beastie that wasn't in the lineup, and there's a reason. It's got no wheels. There's no way we'd be able to drag it out there, so there we go. Anyway, this little thing, 1984 Mini 998 City, I think it is. It's quite a base model. There's a nice story to this. Basically, it's only done 24-ish thousand miles. Had a bump in the front where an old lady owned it. Got put in the garage for years and forgotten about. And then we managed to get it. Now, as you can see, I started this, but again, we moved. And it's bits spread everywhere. So, got the engine. Sat down there behind what's left of a T3 engines over there, don't worry about that. So that bad boy's going in there. So we got some front panels to sort out. It took a little bump, as you can see where I started. It's just put a little crease in here. We got to sort that out. I might get a new scuttle, not sure what to do with that yet, but it is really good nick. As you can see, there's a bit of rust down there and a little bit down there. I've had to put a little inch square patch on the battery box, and I think that was about it, if I remember rightly. So I'm really sorry if the light's rubbish in here, but yeah, it's nearly stripped, but it's such good nick. Look at the headlining, perfect. Seats are really good, everything really good. But hey, anyway, I think after I've done some jobs on Bugley and the Golf, the daily, I think this is going to be next. Tell me what you think, but this I think is going to be next. Right, that's it for the 1 year birthday. You've seen all our fleet. I hope you like what you see. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and look us up on Instagram. We've got 100 and something followers on there. Larcs_Workshop. Always putting stuff on there which won't turn up on the channel, and sometimes sneak peeks for the videos. You never know. Anyway, again, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Cheers, then. Let's get out and see them. Oh! What a plonker.